Okay, let's look at the second type of midpoint question you may get. We're actually told the coordinates of one end of the line. We're not told the coordinates of the second end of the line, but we are told the midpoint. So just by a quick example, we're told this coordinate, we're not told this coordinate, but we're told that this point is halfway along it. And it's asking us if this is one end, if this is the middle, what is the value of the coordinate at this end? I've written down my midpoint formula, and I've written down that the midpoint is 7, 2. So in other words, this ends up equaling 7, and this ends up equaling 2. So I'm going to write that down. x1 plus x2 over 2 equals 7, and y1 plus y2 over 2 equals 2. What else am I told? Well, I'm told the coordinate of one point, so let's call this point 1, x1, y1. So I'm also told that x1 is 1. So why don't I put that in? x1 is 1. And our y1 was -4. So what I've done there is substituted here my x1 and my y1, x1, y1. Now using my knowledge of equations, I can end up working out what x2 and y2 is. I'm going to times both sides by 2, because that cancels, that cancels. So now I've got 1 plus x2 is equal to 14. I'm going to subtract 1, I'm going to subtract 1. So my x2 is equal to 14 subtract 1, which is 13. Over here, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So -4 plus y2 is equal to 4. I'm going to add 4 to cancel that out, add 4. So my y2 is 8. So in other words, my x2 is 13 and my y2 is 8. So this is the coordinate of my second point. This is my first point, this is my midpoint, and then this is the other end of the line. So what we've got here, if we'll do a quick sketch, we were told that the midpoint was 7, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're told that that was our midpoint. Our point A was 1, -4. That was our point A, and we have now just worked out that our point B (13, 2). Just a very quick sketch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that our point B is up here. And we've just found that at 13, 8. Let's have a quick look. That looks about right, doesn't it? That distance there looks about equal to that distance there. So that's just a quick visual of what we've actually done. We were given this point, we were given this point, and we found point B. So how did we do that again? We wrote our midpoint formula. We wrote in that we knew that x1 plus x2 over 2 was equal to 7. We knew that y1 plus y2 over 2 was equal to 2. And then under both of those we used our knowledge of equations, doing inverse operations to both sides to end up working out what our x2 and our y2 was.